Hello and welcome to the channel, and today we're going to be changing a heating element on an electric oven. So when you switch your oven on, if the fan comes on and the light comes on but there's no heat in there, then it's likely that your heating element's gone. So how do you know which part you need? If you open the oven door, you should be able to see there's a little code down there. Mine's a Lamona oven and I've got a model number here of LAM4601. Once you've got the model number, all you need to do is go on the internet and Google heating elements with the code and you should obtain the right one. I got this one from eBay. But before we try to install this, we need to make sure the power's off. If you're in any doubt, switch the whole thing off at the main circuit. So let's take the trays out. To get access to the heating element, we need to take this back plate off. There's 4 screws, 1, 2, 3, 4. But what you'll also see is this thing here. So this is your thermostat. So on this model, the Lamona, it can stay where it is and we can slide the back plate out. If that's not the case for you, you may need to unclip it and let it hang down whilst you get the back plate off. Let's take those screws out. This is the first one. So all we do now is take the plate off. Right, so you can see the heating element. Just going to take one screw out and the other 2 screws out, and then it should come off. I don't know how much you can see there, but you can see that there's 2 wires. It's worth taking a photo of these, and all we're going to do is pull them off. I'm going to attach it to the new one, and then we're going to screw it back on. So all I'm going to do is pull these off. 1, and that one goes on the right. 2, and goes on the left. All we're going to do is put those back on. There we go. Make sure that they're on the right side. There we go. We're just going to screw that back in. Quick pointer on that, if these cables are quite short, you want to stop them retracting and going in, because if they do go in there, you're going to have a nightmare on your hands. So just put a peg over them and stop them going back in and retracting it. So all I'm going to do, shove the wires back through. Stick that in, and then it's going to be a screw here and 2 screws here, so we'll get on that now. So let's put the back plate in, make sure it goes under the thermostat, and then all I'm going to do is reposition those screws. 1, 2, 3, 4. So power back on. Before the oven will work, you need to set the clock. Try switching it on. Let's get it up to a temperature. So I'll just open that and have a look. Oh yeah, lovely and warm. If you'd like to support the channel, please like and subscribe.